Welcome to this tutorial on the ARK Google CRM module, a comprehensive CRM solution designed for managing schedules, leads, tasks, contracts, quotes, sales orders, invoices, and email campaigns, all with centralized data and multi-user access, along with Google Calendar integration. This is a simple and effective CRM solution tailored for small to medium-sized organizations. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for future updates. To install this add-on, search ARK Pro CRM for Google on Google Marketplace. Click on Install. After installation, you will be able to see ARK Pro CRM menu item on top or in Extensions menu on Google Sheet. It will open sidebar for CRM functions. You can reauthorize or click Access Authorization for your team members so that they can access your CRM data. It also available shortcut icon on Google sidebar. You can click on alternate URL, if primary URL not accessible. Click on Auto Create CRM Data Sheet. It's one-time exercise. It auto-create CRM data sheet file and gets open in new tab. As you can see, it auto-set credentials as admin. CRM data file will have all data sheets for saving data from CRM app. Now you need to just copy sheet ID. Specify sheet ID and credentials as admin. Keep blank authorized email ID, if you are the owner of the sheet. If you want to use separate Google Sheet file for storing CRM data, you can modify sheet details for each dataset. Update company details for PDF printing purpose. Keep your logo file in Google Drive and copy file ID. Specify only file ID instead of complete URL. It's better to share logo file, if you want to allow print PDF with logo for your team members. You can add or edit users here. Create or update customer records. Create or update product information. You can create or update schedules. At the bottom of the page, you'll find a list of schedules with a filter option to sort by status. When you create a schedule, it will automatically update your Google Calendar with a reminder. If you send an email to a user, it will include the reminder in their calendar. Create or update leads. The leads list is also available at the bottom with a filter option. Create or update tasks. Create or update periodical service contracts. Manage quotations with multi-product selection, option for printing mailing PDF copy to customer. Same way you can also manage sales order sales invoices. The dashboard provides an overview of pending schedules, leads, tasks, and contract expirations. The sales circular feature helps anticipate the next order from regular customers, and the pending sales feature shows bills awaiting payment. You can use the email campaign feature to send promotional or informational emails to your customers. Your other users can access your CRM data with provided CRM data sheet ID, credentials, and specifying your Gmail ID. Other users will have limited access, allowing them to view only the data assigned to their name. When you click on Email User, it will send an email to the user and add a reminder to their Google Calendar. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.